Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on HCL Tech. Analyst maintains buy on HCL Tech with a price target of Rs 2180, as we believe the company is well placed to deliver industry-leading growth among Tier 1 IT companies for FY25 and fiscals ahead, given their decent 9-month 2025 performance, diversified offerings and strategic partnership with hyperscalers. We expect 9% sales growth and 12% PAT growth over FY24 to FY27 earnings estimate. At current market price, the stock trades at 22.5x its FY27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.